Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys, seriously. I appreciate you guys being here. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm 38. I love investing. I am self-taught, and I hope to inspire as many of you to start your own financial freedom investing journey. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial fiduciary. I am a financial resulter, which means I do show real numbers. And, hopefully, again, it's just motivating you to see what, with just simple, straightforward investing tips and, guidance, what you can actually do, right? And so it's one of my favorite times of the month, dividend time. So everyone got their books. If you want your own version so you can join us over here, you can get the physical version of this on my Amazon storefront. Link is down below. If you want the digital version, okay, you can get that on my website. Again, the link and all the information is down below. But we've been tracking our dividends now for a while. I know a lot of you have gotten this book. Again, thank you so much for your support. Like, seriously, I do appreciate it because I do put a lot of time and effort and thought into the things that I make, and just to have you guys support me with just the portfolio clients and the investing study groups, our money book club, just having you guys there. Like, seriously, without you guys, there is no Mommy Trader. I'll just be on here talking to myself, but that we have a family over here and we're all working together to achieve our goals. I love it. So thank you all so much. So yeah, I decided to make a PDF version of this. Well, I have a digital version, but I wanted to document it this way just to change things up a little bit, and I can actually walk you through it. You will see the screenshots from like Interactive Brokers and Robinhood on your screen as we walk through this, but I am very detailed oriented. I'm really into just numbers, spreadsheets, and just documenting our journey. This channel does serve as a video diary. So, I'm into that. I'm really am into that. And I'll also share with you how much we earned this quarter in dividends. Keep in mind, again, guys, this is just from taxable accounts. We do get dividends in the 401k. We do get dividends in an HSA. We actually just got a big one. We get dividends in our Roth. So there's realty income is in the Roth IRA. Our kids get dividends as well, but I don't count any of that. I just focus on the taxable income for the channel's sake. I do track all of our dividends somewhere else in a spreadsheet, but for the channel, I'm just tracking taxable accounts. Why, do you ask? Because I know I get questions like, why don't you put JEPI in a Roth IRA? Why don't you put realty income in a Roth IRA? We do that, but you're maxed at what you can contribute. You can only put $6,500 into a Roth IRA. There's no limit into what I can put into Interactive Brokers or Robinhood or M1 Finance or something like that. So those accounts are getting taken care of. We're on track to max out the Roth and the HSA and the 401k. Outside of that and what I share on the channel, I'm really focused on taxable accounts, because we can touch that money anytime we want. It's liquid. And I'll be honest with you guys, because we have 3 houses and just a bunch of other things going on, we get refunds back from the government. So I have my side business. My husband has his. We have a lot going on and an awesome CPA. So yeah, we're okay. But I do understand. But I do talk about just taxable accounts here. But no, we do get dividends in those other accounts as well. So get your books and let's get started. So we're going to start with Interactive Brokers. We really focus this portfolio on a lot of growth stuff, and we put JEPI over here as well. And we have realty income literally everywhere. Like, it's not just here. We have it in a lot of the accounts. Like I said, our children have it. So let's get started. So JEPI actually paid out a smaller dividend, like an extra bonus dividend. I did a video talking about like special dividends. I'll have it somewhere up on the screen. But on March 3rd, we received a dividend from JEPI for $205.57. And yes, dividends are reinvested. That's what DRIP is. Then on March 6th, we received a dividend that was for 9 cents. Then on March 10th from Target, I love Target, we received $54, which is awesome sauce. Then on March 15th in Realty Income, we received $57.26. Then on March 27th at CHD, one of my favorites, and I just did a video talking about our recent update. We have over 260 shares now. So we met our goal of 250. So we're happy about that. But for this dividend, it was on 230 shares, and that was for $137.35. And then lastly, in Interactive Brokers, on March 28th for VTI, we had 35 shares and we received $27.52. So the total in that specific portfolio account was a whopping $481.79. That's almost $500 from one account. That's like, when I was going through this, I was like, oh my goodness. At the end of the day, no one can convince me or my husband that this does not work. It's not complicated. We buy and hold in things we believe in. If they change things up, we'll sell it. But we are long-term investors for the most part, and we just build up our share size. You want a bigger dividend? Build up the share size. That's as simple as I can say it. Scrolling down to, and I'm going to zoom in some. So let's move down to Robinhood. Okay. So I talk about Robinhood all the time on this channel. And I think a lot of you like when I pull up Robinhood because you're beginners and you like the simple, easy interface. And so if you want to open up any of these accounts, my referral links are down below. It doesn't cost you anything. You'll get free stock. I get free stock. It's a great way to support the channel, and it's a great way for you to get started as well. So on March 1st, we received a dividend in QILD for $46.68. And then on AFLAC, that was on March 1st as well, we received $15.76. On March 15th, Realty Income, we received $30.52. On March 15th again, Main Street, they pay a dividend every month as well, $13.72. Arbor Realty, we had 115 shares. That was $46.09 we got in a dividend. On March 21st, Amcor, that was $8.61. On March 28th, we received another dividend in QILD. That was for $43.54. Then on March 28th again, Main Street. So they paid, like, again, you see the special dividends here, $10.73. And then on March 31st, BP, which is British Petroleum, we received $25.93. And then on March 31st, we received $6.61. So when you add all that up, that is $248.19 we received in dividends from Robinhood. So really, I'm happy about that. Let me put my face up. So we received one dividend. I have an investing savings challenge I'm doing over there by myself. If I come under budget, like in groceries or something, I'll send a few dollars over there and just watch that build up. So we received one dividend there for Realty Income, and that was for 47 cents. So you see, like 47 cents, right? We all start somewhere, and I'm just building. Next was in Webull for Devo. That was on March 31st for $1. And then Boomoo on March 29th, XYLD. And I really would like to get some more shares in XYLD for 50 cents. So you see at the bottom, look, let me zoom in. You already see at the bottom, okay? The total amount we made in dividends for the month of March, just in taxable accounts, $731.95. Okay? Look, come on, we got to give some claps for that. $731.95. We got to snap it out. We got to clap it out because we have worked really hard. If you've been following me for some time, what do I always say? Build up your share sizes. If you want a bigger dividend, you have to have more invested in that specific company or that specific fund. I also want you to understand we all start somewhere. So you see some of these positions is 2. Look at XYLD. That's 2 shares. So when you see, for example, 257 shares, remember, these big share sizes start with 1 share, sometimes even a quarter of a share, $10 worth of a share, $20 worth of a share. So the idea is for you to just be consistent. Again, this book right here, okay? This will help you. This sheet is in this book, okay? It's just a tracking book. I really designed it so that it wasn't complicated. It literally is you writing down the information. And you see over time that, oh my goodness, my investments are growing in real time. And if my husband and I decided on the off chance, you know what? We don't want to reinvest our dividends. We can take the $731.95 that we earned and pay our utility bill. I can get groceries for the month. We can get gas. We can put this as a down payment on a cruise. I mean, there's so much we can do just with dividend income. So when you see like Warren Buffett and he's getting $780 million, yes, $780 million from Apple stock alone. Okay. Okay. Like I can't even get all of that out because that's just a monster dividend, but we are trying to just slowly work up to that level. Will we ever get to that amount? Probably not. But look, I am so happy getting $731.95 in dividends. Okay. So I am big on tracking. I'm big on showing you and being transparent. I'm big on showing you this in real time. I don't have the biggest channel, but one thing you will always find over here is the receipts, right? I want to show you that it works. You don't have to make it complicated. You don't have to own 50,000 different companies. You can invest long-term and live your life. And that is what we did. So before I end this video, let's talk about how much we earned in the first quarter. So I have my book here, and in this book, it lets you see like how much you earned in each quarter. You track that as well. So our goal for the first 3 months, January, February, and March, was $1,000. That's what we wanted to get in dividend income in the first 3 months of the year. If you go back, and again, I have a playlist for a reason. You can go back and watch our January dividend report, our February dividend report. So when you add all 3 months, guess how much we earned in dividends just in these taxable accounts? $1,666.03. That's $1,666 we earned in passive income, free money. Like, again, I could pay the mortgage on one of the rental properties with that. You know, $1,666 is a down payment on a vacation to Europe, or that'll buy the plane tickets. That is, you know, do you guys see the strategy I'm going with here? It's life-changing for us. And so we're going to continue to build. Next quarter, we're hoping to exceed that, and we should, because of compound interest and because we're getting these dividends reinvested, and we're still building up our share sizes. So for April, May, and June, we hope to get $2,500 in dividends. Okay. So our goal for the entire year of 2023 in terms of taxable accounts and dividends is 10,000, but in all of our accounts, dividend wise, 25. So let's see if we can make that this year. Okay. We're going to see. It's a stretch goal, but I will be here, Lord willing, documenting our journey. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know how you did for not just March, but the first 3 months of this year. Do you have this book? You can grab it and you can get started on your journey today. It's not too late to start. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost at 12,000 subscribers. So please give this video a thumbs up. Like it, share it, help me to grow this community over here. And I think you guys and other people will find some value in it. Again, leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye for now.